You know, it's so nice to have friends in the glass business. Hey, it's Jamaison, and I've got an unboxing, a surprise unboxing. This one from D&L again, and I am not certain what's in here, so let me take a look here. All right, let's see. This is packed very well, so I'm going to assume it's glass, and I'm probably going to make a big mess here trying to get this out. No, not as big of a mess as I thought. It says, "Hi Jay, hope you love this new holiday glass from Maggie. We love seeing what you create." So thank you, Maggie and team at D&L. I am excited about this now because she says holiday glass. So D&L had some more exclusive glass made. You saw me do some unboxing of some of their exclusive bullseye mixes that they had done a couple of months ago, and they had some made for the holidays. There's one that they call Poinsettia, which looked super exciting. And if I remember correctly, it was white and aventurine green, might be light aventurine, I can't remember, and red, and that looked super neat. And then there was one, I think it was Winter Wonderland, which was, oh, check it out. Okay, I'm stopped in my tracks. This is that poinsettia. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. So cool. This packed very well. Look at that. Look at that streaky color mix. Yeah, red. And this looks like it's probably light aventurine green and white. How pretty is that? Thank you, guys. And another piece of it. Look at that. I love these streakies. They're just so unique. Get that off of there without cutting myself. That is so cool. Because, oh, look at that. There you go. That's the magic shot side right there. This is so nice. Thank you, guys, Maggie and team. I appreciate this. My wheels are already spinning. I'm trying to think about what is going to be the best way to highlight this. I have a holiday show coming up, and so I'm feeling like this needs to be a platter or something. That maybe 2 platters, maybe a matching set. Okay, I'm thinking about it. Stay tuned to the channel because you'll probably see this glass become a project in the future. Thanks, Maggie and team. Thanks, everybody. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Set your notifications. If you like this video, click the like. That always helps my channel out. And stay tuned. We're going to have some fun with this.